Hello, in this video I want to show you how to increase storage size on Google Photos. To do this, first we'll need to click on our storage right here in Google Photos. Then you'll be able to increase it by clicking right here, start 100 gigabytes trial. For the day that I'm actually recording this video is available, but in some other cases you might just find a button that allows you to buy more gigabytes onto your storage. But in this case we can click on that, then proceed with the payment. In this case it should be free, and we'll be able to increase our photo size according to the program visible right here. So 100 gigabytes, 200 and 2 terabytes. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.